More rolling, but this time with a different outfit. Angus is bringing John Haynes' John Deere 3640 across the road with a 9-metre set of Hunt Manifold triple gang rolls, which are currently arranged for transport. Once in the field, Angus folds down the first wing and unpins the right-hand section's drawbar. This slides along the wing into the working position as he turns to the right. It's then secured with a pin. The procedure is repeated for the left-hand section. Now at the other end of the field, John has taken over the controls. We saw this wheat being drilled in mid-January, and considering the conditions and late drilling date, it is established well. Rolling will now push down stones, firm in the roots, and encourage the crop to tiller. The 3640 has been fitted with 25-inch wide Goodyear Super Terra Grip tyres on the front and 43-inch Firestone flotations on the rear. It makes for a very period scene, with Terra tyres being particularly popular during the late 80s and early 90s. The 3640 was new in 1985 in Gloucestershire and has done just over 10,000 hours. Standard factory spec 3640s were naturally aspirated and rated at 112 horsepower, but this one is fitted with a Garrett turbocharger, hence the whistle, and is probably generating around 135. These conversions were often carried out by supplying dealers using genuine components which were available from John Deere as an altitude compensator for certain other markets. John is working in 6th gear at around 1400 RPM, giving a forward speed of 9 km per hour and a pleasing burble from the exhaust. The manifold rolls can be easily folded in line for transport without needing hydraulics. They were made in Essex by R. Hunt & Co. This set was delivered new to the farm in October 1980.